In lecture number 3rd of power electronics, having a second chapter thyristors family devices. These are some outlines of lecture number 3rd. First one is the triac. Now we will study the next thyristor family devices is the triac. Symbol of triac, construction, modes of operation, VI characteristics of triac, and advantages, disadvantages, and applications of triac. We already studied that in lecture number first and lecture number second is the SCR. First thyristor family device is the SCR. SCR is nothing but silicon controlled rectifier. SCR is the most important thyristor family devices. Now we will study second thyristor family devices is the triac. SCR can be used to control lamps, motors or heaters, etc. However, one of the problems of using SCR for controlling such circuit is that like a diode. The SCR is a unidirectional devices. SCR is unidirectional devices. Unidirectional devices is nothing but current flowing in only one direction from anode to cathode. But triac is a bidirectional devices. Triac is the bidirectional devices. Bidirectional devices is nothing but current flow from both the directions. SCR triggered only in positive gate pulses, but triac will trigger the positive as well as negative gate pulses. So it is called as the bidirectional devices. What is the meaning of triac? Triac is nothing but triode alternating current. Triode is the next version of diode. Diode Triode is the next version of diode. Diode having a next version is the triode. Diode is nothing but two terminals, and triode is nothing but three terminals. Triode and triode alternating current. Triode is AC switch. Triac is nothing but triode AC switch, and in abbreviated as is the triac, or triac is nothing but triode alternating current. There are two meaning of triac: triode alternating current or triode AC switch. Remember is that SCR is a bidirectional devices, and SCR is a unidirectional devices and triac is a bidirectional devices. These concepts are remember here. Now this is the construction of triac. Triac is nothing but two SCRs are connected back to back. Two SCRs are connected back to back is nothing but triac. See here, this is the construction of first one SCR. This one is the T1 SCR, and this one is the S2 SCR, or this one is the S1 SCR. SCR having a four layers: P layer, N layer, P layer, N layer. Here this is the two SCRs. Here SCR first having a N terminal. This one is the anode terminal. This one is the cathode terminal. This here the back to back connection is nothing but cathode of S1 is connected to anode of S2, and cathode of S2 is connected to anode of S1. So these two terminals are connected, so it is called as the empty-2 terminal, and these two terminals are connected, so it is as called as the empty one. And here two SCRs are two common terminal connected each other, it is known as the gate. Here gate is the common terminal in between two SCRs. Here, this one is the anode and this one is the cathode. This is the cathode terminal. This cathode terminal is connected to anode, and this cathode terminal is connected to anode. So SCRs are connected back to back, then triac will be generated. And here the common terminal gate is the common terminal of both the SCRs. S1 and S2 having a common terminal is the gate terminal. So triac having a three terminals. So which one? MT2, MT1 and gate. This one is the construction of triac. Triac is a bidirectional device. Bidirectional device is nothing but in triac current can flow both the direction. Triac can be triggered in both the direction. Triac having a three terminals such as gate, MT1 and MT2. Triac having a three terminals such as gate, MT1 and MT2. In other words, triac can be triggered positive as well as negative gate pulses. Triac is Triac is nothing but two SCRs are connected back to back, and triac behaves just like a two conventional thyristors connected together in inverse parallel or back to back with respect to each other, and because of this terminal the anode terminal is common in between the gate terminal is common in between two SCRs. This is the construction diagram of SCRs. This is the construction diagram of triac. This one is the construction diagram of triac. Triac having a two SARs are connected back to back. This is the gate terminal. This one is the MT1 terminal. This one is the M22 terminal. Here the two SARs are connected. So P1, N1, P2, N2, or N2, P2, N1, P1, or we can arrange in very similar fashion N3, P2, N1, P1, or P2, N1, P1, N4 is like this. Modes of operation of triac. Triac will be working in four modes of operations. Triac will be working in four modes of operation. Triac having a four mode of operation: mode first, mode second, mode third, and mode fourth. How it is identified? Because triac can be triggered both the directions, positive as well as negative gate current applied to the triac, then triac will be turned on. With respect to this, in mode first, MT2 current is positive, gate current is also positive. In mode 2, MT2 current positive, but we can apply gate current negative. In mode 3rd, MT2 current negative and gate current positive. And in mode 4, we apply MT2 current negative and gate current is also negative. So for that purpose there is a quadrant is apply. This one is the gate positive, on x axis gate apply. This is the positive terminal, this one is the positive gate side, this is the negative gate side. This one is the MT2 terminal is the positive side and this one is the negative side. This is the first quadrant. In first quadrant both the positive such as MT2 is also positive and gate also positive. In second quadrant MT2 positive but gate negative. In third quadrant MT2 main terminal, MT is nothing but main terminal, MT2 is also negative and gate is also negative. And in quadrant 4 MT2 is negative but gate is positive. So this mode of operations are represented in quadrant. This is the diagram. We will explain step by step procedure of the four mode of operations. This is used for mode first. This diagram is used for mode second, this diagram is used for mode third, and this diagram is used for mode fourth. So this is the step by step procedure for the working of modes. In first mode MT2 current positive and gate current is also positive. In both currents are positive, MT2 current is positive and gate current is also positive. So how to working triac in gate in mode first? So look here, this is the diagram for the mode first operation. Triac having this type of structures. So initially MT2 current is positive, so here write as the MT2 is this terminal is the positive terminal and gate current is negative, so right here gate current is negative, sorry, gate current is positive. So here the voltage applied in between MT1 and this one is the gate current, MT1 and gate current. So gate having a positive terminal, so apply positive terminal of battery to gate and negative terminal of battery to here MT1. Here the MT2 is positive. MT2 terminal is positive. So there is the two junctions are generated. Look here. In track there are two junctions are present. This one is the J1 junction. J1 junction generated because of P1 N1 structure, and J2 junctions are generated because of N1 P2 junction. J1 junction is made in between P1 N1 and J2 junction is made in between P1 N2. So this one is the P1 N1 junction, this one is the J1 junction, and this one is the J2 junctions. Now look here, here the MT2 current is positive. Here MT2 current is positive. So this positive current is applied to the P1 directly. Because of this J1 junction is the forward bias junction. J1 junction is the forward bias junction, but J2 junction is made in between N1 and P2, and this positive terminal is applied to the N1. So J2 junction is the reverse bias junction. J2 junction is the reverse bias junction, and due to apply gate current, due to apply gate voltage here, because of this here the P2 holes are attracted towards this N3 layer. These holes are attracted to the N3 layer, and here also J3 junctions are generated. Here also J3 junctions are generated, and this junction is also forward bias junction. Why? Because this positive terminal is applied here, the positive terminal is applied to the P2, and this negative terminal is applied to the N3. Because of this J3 junction is the reverse bias junctions, and current flow, here the current flow in the path P1 N1 P2 N3. Current flowing in the path P1 N1 P2 N3. This is the current path flowing from the mode 1 operation of current. Now in second mode, MT2 current is positive and gate current is negative. So this is the MT2 current, this current is positive and gate current is negative. So here apply gate current, this is the gate terminal, and this gate terminal apply negative voltage. This gate current apply negative voltage. So because of this positive terminal, this P1 N1 junction, this is the junction J1. This junction J1 is forward bias. The junction J2 is the reverse bias junction. The junction J2 is the reverse bias junction, and junction here the negative terminal is applied to gate and positive terminal is applied to here. So here the holes are attracted towards this N2 side. So here J3 junction is also a forward bias junction. J3 junction is also a forward bias junction, because here negative terminal is applied to this N2, and because of this current flowing from path, current is flowing from path P1 N1 P2 N2. This is the current flowing path of SA triad. Now in mode third, MT2 current is positive, MT2 current is negative. Look here, this MT2 current is negative and gate current is also negative. Gate current is also negative. So negative terminal of battery is connected to gate and positive terminal of the battery is applied to MT1, and this MT2 terminal is also negative. This MT2 terminal is also negative. Due to this J1 junction is reverse bias junction. Why J1 junction is reverse bias? Because this negative terminal of battery is connected to P1. So J1 junction is reverse bias. This J2 junction is forward bias. J2 junction is forward bias. Why it is forward bias? Because this N1 is connected directly to negative terminal of battery, and this connection is applied to here. The negative terminal is applied to the gate, so some holes are attracted towards these electrons, and here the J3 junctions are generated. Here the J3 junctions are generated, and this junction is also a forward bias junction, and here the current flowing path is this one is the current flowing path. Which one is the current flowing path? P2, N1, P1 and N4 is the current flowing path of SCR. Now in mode 4, MT2 current is negative and gate current is positive. Here MT2 current is negative and this gate current is positive. Here the gate current, this gate current is apply a positive terminal of battery. So J1 junction is the reverse bias. Why? Because here the P1 and this negative terminal. So J1 junction is reverse bias. This J2 junction is forward bias, and here the some holes are attracted towards the electrons, and here the J3 junctions are generated, and these J3 junctions are forward bias. These J3 junctions are forward bias and current flowing through the path, some holes are interacted with N3 and current is flowing path from P2, N1, P1 and N4. This is the current flowing path of triac. This is the 4 mode of operation. This mode of operation write in notebook and explain it step by step in your own words. Now this is the VI characteristics of triac. In VI characteristics of triac is similar to the SCR. VI characteristics of triac is the similar to the SCR. This VI characteristics is related to the two modes of operation, mode first, mode second, and this VI characteristic is related to the two modes of operation, mode 3 and mode 4. In mode first and mode second, we will apply MT2 terminal is positive. MT2 terminal is positive, but gate current is positive and gate current is negative, and here MT2 terminal is negative and first apply gate current is positive and second apply gate current is negative. See here the MT2 current is positive, MT2 current is positive, but gate current positive, gate current is negative. Here MT2 current is negative, but gate current is negative, gate current is positive. So VI characteristics of triac is like this. This is the VI characteristics of triac. VI characteristics of triac is similar to the SCR. This is the VI. This is the conduction mode. VI characteristics of SCR. This is the VI characteristics of SCR. Look here. This is the VI characteristics of SCR. This VI characteristic of SCR is related to the forward blocking mode, forward leakage current and forward conduction mode. Forward blocking mode, forward blocking mode and the conduction mode. So VI characteristics of SCR, forward VI characteristics of SCR and forward VI characteristic of triac is the similar. This character is similar. This one is the forward blocking mode. After that the conduction mode. This is also a reverse blocking mode and this is also a conduction mode. This is the VI characteristics of SCR. In this VI characteristics, on state characteristics. This one is the on state. This is the on state. This one is also a on state. In first quadrant, SCR1 conducting, MT2 is positive, and in third quadrant, SCR2 conducting and SCR2 in on state and MT2 is negative. Initially there is a off state. If forward voltage reach to the VBO, this one is the VBO, forward voltage reach to the VBO, then there is a some avalanche breakdown present, and after that there is a conduction of the triac. Similarly, reverse voltage reach to the VBO, there is a some avalanche breakdown are generated, and after that EMT2 current, after that current conduction takes place. See, the triac characteristics can be divided into three modes of operation. Third one is the forward blocking state. This is the forward blocking state. This state is called as the forward blocking state. Forward, this one is the forward blocking state. Forward blocking state. Forward blocking state. This one is the reverse blocking state. Reverse blocking state. This is the reverse blocking state. Reverse blocking state. This one is the reverse blocking state. This one is the forward blocking state. In forward blocking state, MT2 is positive with respect to MT1. Here the MT2 is positive with respect to MT1. MT2 is positive. In this state, forward voltage less than breakover voltage. See here, this is the forward voltage. This is the forward voltage less than breakover voltage. Forward voltage less than breakover voltage. This one is the your breakover voltage, and this one is the forward voltage. This forward voltage less than breakover voltage. In this period, there is a forward blocking state. In reverse blocking state, MT1 is positive with respect to MT2. In this state, forward voltage less than the minus breakover voltage. Here is also forward voltage less than your breakover voltage, reverse breakover voltage. This one is the minus VBO. This one is the minus VF character. This reverse forward voltage is also less than the breakover voltage. And conduction state on state. This one is the conduction state of SCR. This is the conduction state of SCR, and this is also the conduction state of SCR. This state is called as the conduction state of SCR, and this state is also called as the conduction state of SCR. We draw this diagram. Phi characteristics. This is the Phi characteristics of track. This diagram draw in your notebook. This diagram draw in your notebook. This one is the reverse voltage. This one is the forward voltage. Reverse voltage, forward current, reverse current. This is the minus VBO. This one is the minus VBO. This is the minus VBO. This is the VBO point. This is the VBO point. This is also a VBO point. This is also a VBO point. There is a three state. This one is the blocking state, forward blocking state. This one is the reverse blocking state, and this one is the conduction state of SCR. This is the on state conducting. Here is also a on state conducting, and this is the reverse voltage blocking. This one is the forward voltage blocking. Here the gate triggered turn on conductions. This is also diagram. Phi characteristics of draw. Both the diagrams are same. And conduction state or on state. In triac is the VI characteristics of triac is similar to the SCR. Triac is equivalent to SCR when two SCRs are connected back to back. It is a bidirectional device. It can be triggered positive as well as negative gate pulses. So VI characteristics of triac is similar to forward characteristics of triac. Now we will see applications of triac. Triac is basically used in lamp control, speed control of fans, chopper, AC phaser, phase control, etc. These are some advantages and disadvantages of triac. What is, what is the advantages of triac? Triac is, some advantages of triac is nothing but it is a bidirectional devices. Triac can be triggered a positive as well as negative gate current. In triac, two SCRs are connected back to back and it is more suitable for resistive loads. Now, some disadvantages of triac are we cannot use as a controller rectifier. Triac having a low di by dt rating. It is suitable for resistive load only and low power rating as compared to SCRs. Here the triac is completed